I looked at the Montenegrins, who were these sort of wild mountain people in the 1600s, and the Ottoman Empire, which was the most powerful military force in the world at that time, kept invading Montenegro. And, at one point they outnumbered the Montenegrins 12-1. They had cavalry, they had artillery, they had everything, and the Montenegrins just handed them their hat. I mean, they just destroyed them. They killed a third of the Ottoman forces. So it's just that has allowed humans, some groups of humans, to maintain their autonomy in the face of a great power. And often great powers are very oppressive. And I mean, sometimes people ask me, why write about freedom? Why now? What is it about freedom that's interesting to you? And my last book was called Tribe, and we talked about that. And I realized people are willing to die for their community, for their tribe, for their people, right? And people are willing to die for their freedom. They're these two core things that